In this video, we're diving into the world of social media and text analysis. We will specifically focus on extracting hashtags from text using regular expressions, also known as regex patterns. Hashtags are a fundamental part of social media communication, and understanding how to identify and extract them programmatically can be very useful. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are hashtags? Consider this example. Just finished my morning workout. Hashtag fitness, hashtag motivation, hashtag healthy lifestyle. Hashtags are keywords or phrases prefixed with the hash symbol, and they are used for categorization and discovery on social media platforms. When you add a hashtag to a post, it becomes easier for other users interested in that topic to find your content. To extract hashtags, we can define a basic regular expression pattern. The pattern is as follows: hash symbol \W+. Let's break down what this pattern means. The hash symbol simply matches the hash character. \W+ matches one or more word characters. This includes letters, numbers, and underscores. This pattern will find any sequence that starts with a hash symbol followed by one or more word characters. Let's see this in action with a Python implementation. First, we import the Re module, which is Python's built-in regular expression library. We define a sample text. Love this hashtag Python tutorial. Hashtag coding, hashtag regex. Then we define our pattern, our hashtag \W+. Next, we use the refindAll function to find all occurrences of the pattern in the text. The result will be a list of all the hashtags found in the text. Finally, we print the list of hashtags. We can make our pattern more specific by defining exactly which characters we want to allow in our hashtags. Here's the enhanced pattern. Our hashtag is Z0-9_+. Let's examine how this pattern works. The character set inside the square brackets, A to Z, 0 to 9, an underscore indicates that we only want to match letters, numbers, and underscores. The plus sign means one or more occurrences of these characters. This pattern ensures that we only extract hashtags that contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. To further refine our pattern, we can use word boundaries. Here's the updated pattern. Our \B hashtag is Z0-9 + \B. The \B ensures that hashtags are complete words and prevents matching within other text. In other words, it makes sure that the hashtag is not part of a larger word. This is useful to avoid extracting parts of words that happen to start with a hash symbol. Let's put it all together with a complete example. We define a function called extract hashtags that takes a text as input. Inside the function, we define our pattern with word boundaries. Our \B hashtag is Z0-9 + \B. We use refindAll to find all the hashtags in the text and return the list of hashtags. We then define a sample post. Amazing day! Hashtag Python, hashtag coding, hashtag dev. Finally, we call our function and print the output, which gives us a list containing hashtag Python, hashtag coding, and hashtag dev. Let's summarize the key takeaways. First, the pattern \B hash symbol A to Z, 0 to 9, underscore plus \B captures hashtags accurately. This pattern ensures that we extract only valid hashtags with alphanumeric characters and underscores. Second, word boundaries prevent partial matches. Using \B ensures that we only match complete hashtags and avoid extracting parts of words. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.